Good morning, online and offline guys. Online guys, my voice is clear. Am I audible? Online guys, my voice is clear. All right. Okay. Guys, yesterday we discussed how to write the test cases in Jupyter scale. We discussed yesterday how to write the test cases in Jira by using Jupyter scale. We discussed yesterday. Yes. Yeah, I think this is your project. Am I correct? SMNYLK. Yeah. Yesterday we created two test cases. In test case tab, in test case tab, you guys are observe here. If you guys are execute any test case, you need to select the test cycle. We need to select the test cycle and create the folder. And once you create the folder, we need to select folder. Once you guys are select the folder, click on new test cycle. Once you guys are click on new test cycle, you need to provide name and description. Name and description. Okay. You guys are provide the name and description. And after that, you need to click on save button. Once you guys are click on the save button, whatever you created name, it will be reflected. Next, you need to choose the test case. Next, you need to choose the test case. In this test case, you need to click on add test cases. Once you click on the add test cases, whatever you created in earlier in test case tab, whatever you created earlier in test case tab, the test cases will be reflected. If you want to clone same test case again, you need to select the test case and click on add button, then click on save, then click on save. Once you guys are click on the save and back to your test cycle home, you guys are observe this is mobile validation is our test case. If I want to execute this test case, just I need to double click on this one. Just I need to only click on this one. And if you want to start the execution, you need to click on play button and background you need to start the execution. Background you need to start the execution. Just I want to click on play button. Once I click on this one, it is comes under in progress. I am working under this test case. I am working under this test case. You guys are observe here. Now the test case is in progress. My expected time is the 12 minutes, not a 12 hours, 12 minutes. Within the 12 minutes, I need to complete the test case or not. We need to validate. Once execution is success and you guys are created steps, you need to click on tick mark. You need to click on tick mark and you guys are click on tick mark. See, if you guys are observe, if you guys are fail this step, only this step is fail. The time you need to click on this into mark. The time you need to click on this into mark. And if you guys are fail the test case, you need to click on this one. And if you guys are past the test case, you need to click on this one. Okay, that is the process. That is the process. If you want to execute any test case, once you guys are execute the test case, you need to click on the test cycle. You need to click on the test cycle. The test case is comes under 100%. Go to test case folder and you guys are select the test case and click on the execution. You guys are observe. I was created 2 test cases. I was passed 2 test cases. The second test case also is comes under execution folder. The second test case also is comes under execution folder. This is how to execute the test case once we create the test cases. You guys are able to understand? Any doubt online and offline? Shall I repeat? Okay. See guys, we have 2 folders is there, 2 modules is there. The first one is the test case. Second one is the test cycle. If you guys are write the test cases, we need to use test case module. Test case module or tab. In this test case, you guys are need to write the test cases. Once you guys are create the test cases, you need to execute the existing test cases. Whatever we create, the test cases we need to execute. Go to test cycle, create the folder. I was create the folder. Click on the folder. Click on new test cycle. Here, validate the Salesforce login page. Validate the Salesforce login application. You guys are need to write the name and description is not a mandatory. Description is not a mandatory. And validate the Salesforce login application and click on save button. Once you guys are click on the save button and go to the test case tab. In this test case tab, you need to click on add test case. If you guys are click on add test case, you need to choose any test case. If you want to select any test case and click on add button. Once you guys are click on add button, basically here it will be reflected, but you no need to start the execution here. Where in test case tab, you need to go to your test cycle home page. Okay, this is the test cycle home. You need to go to test cycle home. This is the test cycle home. See guys, this is the test case home and this is the test cycle home. This is the test case home. This is the test cycle home. Okay. See, in this test cycle home, just I want to click on the application test case. There is no test case here. One minute. Go to test cycle. This is the our test case. Actually, the information is not there. Why? Because we are not added. Save that one. We are not save that one. So that is the issue. You need to go to the test cycle, select the execution, create a new, provide, va validate the Salesforce login and click on save. Once you guys are click on save, go to test case. Once you guys are click on go to test case and you need to click on add button. Once you guys are add the button, you need to click on the save. And once you guys are click on the save, come back to your test cycle. Okay, this is your test case. Just you need to click on this one. 1 minute. What happened? Yeah, already the test case is passed. Okay, already the test case is passed. Now I will verify one more test case. Why? Because same test cases, already the test case is passed. That's why here it is not reflected. I was cloned the test case. That is the problem. I will check this one. This one also pass. If you want to write any new test cases and go to the test cases, go to the test cases and you guys are select the test case and create the new test case. Now we need to verify Amazon, verify Amazon logo, user able to access the Amazon application. Okay, you guys are provide time 0010. Okay, this is 10 minutes. Okay, and after that we need to click on save. Once you guys are click on the save, verify Amazon logo, not login. Okay, verify Amazon logo. The logo related steps we need to write step by step. The first step, launch the application. Launch the application. Launch the application. Okay, what is expected result? System should displaying Amazon application. System should displaying Amazon application. The second step, okay, logo displaying or not. Logo displaying or not. System able to display the Amazon logo. Okay, system able to display the Amazon logo. And click on logo. Click on logo. System able to navigate Amazon homepage. Click on save. Okay, I was created. Okay, I was created the test cases, guys. Verify Amazon logo. Go to test case folder. Go to test cycle. Select the execution. Click on new test cycle. Okay, now here verify Amazon logo. Verify Amazon logo. Click on save. Click on test case and click on add test case. See guys, verify Amazon logo. Click on add button. Once you click on add button, click on save. Once you guys are click on the save, back to your home, test cycle, home. See guys, click on the logo. Then it should be displayed. Okay, then it should be displayed. See, this is not executed. Not executed. See guys, once you click on play button and that is comes under in progress 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, I need to complete the task. See, once you click on the play button, you need to start the work background and you are able to complete within the 10 minutes and you need to pass the test case. For example, logo is not working, you need to fail. Logo is not working, you need to fail. Okay, or you need to block. See, you need to block. Okay, I blocked the test case. I blocked the test case and back to my test cycle. See guys, the test case is blocked. The test case is blocked. Okay, blocked. Blocked means anything need to update, not a defect. For example, one step is missing. One step is missing. Okay, I block the test case. I inform to who are authoring in earlier this test case. I need to inform to the particular person. They will update. After update the test case, I will pass the test case again. I will pass the test case again. See, they updated already. So I click on tick mark. Then the test case is pass. This is the process. Blocked means not a error. Not a error. When you guys are click on the cross mark, that is the error. Into mark, that is the error. Defect. Okay, blocked in the sense while writing the scripting or authoring, the author, the tester forget one step. While executing the test case, I find the that step. I need to block the test case. Then I will inform to the tester, Mr. Tester, whenever you write the test case, the time you missed one step, that is this one. You can add the test step. Then I will pass the test case. I will inform to author. Okay, that is the block. Is it clear or not? This is how to execute the test case. Clear? Write down. Okay, all right. Put the heading test cycles. Put the heading test cycles. Test cycles. If we want to execute any test case, if we want to execute any test case, we are able to execute under test cycles. If we want to execute any test case, we are able to execute under test cycles. Next one. Create the new folder under test cycle. Create the new folder under test cycle. Create the new folder under test cycle and select the folder. Click on new test cycle and select the folder. Click on new test cycle and select the folder. Click on new test cycle. Okay. Select the folder. Click on new test cycle. Once we click on new test cycle button, user able to get different types of modules. User able to get different types of modules. In bracket, tabs. In bracket, tabs. Okay. Write down. That is first one. Details. See on the board. Details. Second one, test case. Second one, test case. Third one, traceability. Fourth one, attachments. Fifth one, comments. Last one, history. Last one, history. Okay. Yeah. Put the heading details. Put the heading details. Under details, we need to provide name is, underline name. Under details, we need to provide name is mandatory. Name is mandatory. And description is optional. Okay, next line. Once we provide the name, click on the save button. Once we provide the name, click on the save button. Once we provide the name, click on the save button. Click on the save button. Okay. Put the heading test case. Put the heading test case. Put the heading test case. Under test case, we have, under test case, we have add test case option is there. Under test case, we have add test case option is there. Under test case, we have add test case option is there, comma, comma. Select the add test case. Select the add test case. Then it should be displayed. Then it should be displayed. Then it should be displayed. Add existing test case pop-up. See on the board. Then it should be displayed. Add existing test case pop-up. Add existing test case pop-up. Add existing test case pop-up. Underline. Underline. Add existing test case pop-up. Next line. Here, we need to select the expected test case. Here, we need to select the expected test case. Here, we need to select the expected test case. Then click on add button. Then click on add button. Then click on add button. And click on the save. 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 Go to next line. Go to test cycle home. Go to test cycle home. Go to test cycle home. Whatever the test case added, whatever the test case added in earlier, whatever the test case added in earlier, whatever the test case added in earlier, comma, the test case is added or not, the test case is added or not under test cycle, under test cycle, the test case is added or not under test cycle, we need to verify. Yeah, next line. Once the test case is added, once the test case is added, click on the test case, click on the test case, click on the test case, then it should be displayed. Click on the test case, then it should be displayed. Start a new test execution. Start, then it should be displayed. Start a new test execution. Start a new test execution. Underline. Okay. Yeah. Here we have one play symbol is there, put the symbol like this. We have one play symbol is there. We have one play symbol is there. Once click on that symbol, the test case is comes under in progress. Once click on that symbol, the test case is comes under in progress. Okay, the test case is comes under in progress. Full stop. Next line. As a tester, once click on that symbol, as a tester, once click on that symbol, we need to start the execution background. We need to start the execution in background. Once click on that symbol, we need to start the execution background. Okay, next line. We are able to complete the test case execution within the time. We are able to complete the execution within the time. We need to pass all steps. We need to pass all steps. Okay, we need to pass all steps. Okay, yeah, next line. Note, while executing the test case, while executing the test case, any step is not executed. Sorry, while executing the test case, any step is fail. Any step is fail. Only that step we need to fail. Any step is fail. Only that step we need to fail. Remaining we need to pass. Next one, continuation. This is also note. Okay, continuation. Blocked is nothing but not a defect. Blocked is nothing but not a defect. While execute the test case, blocked is nothing but not a defect. While executing the test case, blocked is nothing but not a defect. While executing the test case, the tester found provide any comment. The tester provide any comment regarding test steps. The tester provide any comment regarding test steps. Regarding test step, comma, based on the comment, the author will update. The author, based on the comment, the author will update. Author means, yeah, who's wrote the test case in earlier. Okay, the author will update. Is it clear or not? That's it. Okay. This is we call how to execute the test cases by using Java scale. How to write, how to execute, how to log the defect, how to create the sprint. Okay. For using Jira, what we are going to do in real time, everything I was explained. First, how to create the sprint is clear. Second, how to log the defect is clear. Okay. How to log the defect theoretically is completed. Every step component చెప్పలేదా? No. How to create the sprint is clear. How to log the defect చెప్పలేదా? ఒకసారి చూడండి. So how to log the అదే కదా. How to log the defect or bug to developer. What is the component? What is the source? What is the summary? What is the description? What is the UAT? I discussed or not? Yeah, I will show you. Yeah, this one guys. How to log the defect to the developer by using Jira. Issue type, epic story, component, assignee, source, phase. Didn't discuss? Okay. Okay, put the heading how to log the defect to the developer by using Jira. రాసుకుంటారా లేకపోతే నోట్స్ ఇవ్వనా? అయిపోయింది. ఆల్రెడీ మాన్యువల్ టెస్టింగ్ జీరా అయిపోయింది. Okay, I will provide the notes in Google Classroom. You guys are able to download. Not required. Notes is okay. Just put the heading. Okay, just put the heading. మళ్ళా నోట్స్ చూసి చెప్పలేదు అనుకుంటారు. How to log the defect to developer by using Jira. This information is available in documentation. This information is available in documentation. మేము ఇలాగే రాసుకునేవాళ్ళం, మళ్ళీ మర్చిపోతాం అని చెప్పేసి. This information is available in documentation. Yeah, you guys are able to understand what is the epic, what is the story, what is the defect, what is the bug, what is the task, what is the query. Okay. See, small error, I mean spelling mistakes is there guys. Okay. You guys are covered that. See, query. Okay, double R is there here. So small mistakes is there. You guys are covered that mistake. Now I will upload this documentation in Google Classroom. And after that, I will move to the resume preparation. Anything? Lab ke lera? Lab ke వెళ్ళండి అవుతుంది. లేకపోతే they will provide one more source. Okay, without installation, how you can do that one? Direct URL they will provide. Okay, installation is not success, you can take the direct URL they will provide. Now I will upload the notes in Google Classroom. Today I will provide one link in Google Classroom. If you want to install the Jira software based on that video, okay, you guys are install the Jira online and offline. Today I will provide one link in Google Classroom. Based on that one, you guys are install the Jira software. Okay, I will provide one link. Now I will upload the notes. Manual and Jira complete notes. If you need, yeah, I will provide, no problem. కంటెంట్ చూస్తే ఇంత ఉందా అనుకుంటారు మీరు. That's it. Whatever you required, everything I uploaded. యాక్చువల్లీ మీకు కంటెంట్ నేను చూపించలేదు కదా. Already I said in starting session the complete content. Yeah, you guys are observe anything is missed in manual testing. మిస్ అవ్వదు, ఎక్స్ట్రా చెప్పే ఉంటాను కానీ మిస్ మాత్రం అవ్వదు. See guys, this is the introduction of manual testing, SDLC, testing methods or techniques, levels of testing, software development process model, waterfall and prototype evaluation spiral, and types of testing. Okay, everything I covered, types of testing. I think exhaustive is not there in this. Exhaustive is not there, iteration is not there. I covered the test types of testing. Monkey is there, gorilla is there, explorator is there, and spike is there or not, you guys are verifying. Spike, yeah, spike is there, load is there, and stress is not there. Okay, stress is not there. I covered that one. Okay, and bug life cycle, how to log the defect, how to verify the defect status, how to link the wrap, how to close the defect. Okay, how to link the wrap while creating the defect to developer. One option is there, link option. I show you link option. Okay, close the defect, the status is closed, you need to close it. And difference between the defect and bug I discussed. Severity and priority done, QAQC done, STLC everything is done, and entry criteria, exit criteria, difference between the test plan, test strategy, test design techniques done, test design tech BVA and ECP. Okay, exhaustive, oh, here I covered. What is the difference between the bug reporting and bug leakage? Bug reporting and bug leakage, I think this is a pending. I think bug reporting and bug leakage. Simple word, guys. Bug reporting. Once I got the defect to developer, once I found the defect we listen. Once I got the defect, that defect we need to inform to the developer. The developer fix the defect, and again we will verify. See, once we verify it is working, our end it is working. Whenever you guys are release the application to customer, the customer end sometimes is working, sometimes is not working. Got it? I got a defect. First step, I got a defect. I need to inform to the developer. The developer fix the defect, again sending to the testing department. As a tester, I need to verify the defect is really fixed or not. The defect is really fixed. It is working as per our expected. The next one, once we release the application to customer, the customer maintain some third-party testers. They will verify the application functionality. While verifying the application functionality, sometimes it is working, sometimes it is not working. Leakage. That is bug leakage. Okay. What is your answer? While when we are releasing the application to customer, the customer validate the application functionality. Sometimes it's working and sometimes it's not working. Okay. That is we call bug leakage. Clear? And manual testing terminology. Okay. One step is missing. Actually, this is a old one. Actually, that is the principles of testing principles. Testing principles and fundamentals. Okay. Is it clear? Yeah, that's it. The next one, coming to Java. These are all things I will discuss. Total how many concepts? 57. Total 57 concepts. The next one, Selenium type 1, Selenium type 2, Selenium type 3. Next one, TestNG, Maven, Jira, already Jira is done. GitLab, Jenkins, API, and Cucumber. Database testing, that's it. I said these are all things I said in starting session. I was not explaining in depth, just I will tell you content. This topic I covered, this topic I covered. Clear? Any doubt? Yeah. The next one, resume preparation. Yeah. Okay. All right. It is visible, guys. Okay. Done. First of all, we will discuss about pressure level. Pressure level. Okay. Pressure, you guys are provide your name here. Under the name, you guys are provide test engineer. Pressure level, I will tell you. Okay. Why we need to provide the designation, I will tell you. Pressure level. You need to provide your name, under your name, test engineer. Valid mobile number. Valid means that network it is working is or that network is properly working or not in any area, in remote area or anywhere. Okay, that number. The next one, valid email address. The career object is common. You guys are right. Different career objects. It is available in online. You guys are get that one career object. And coming to the professional summary, whatever you learn in manual testing, starting STLC to fundamental, everything you need to provide under professional summary. Everything we need to provide under professional summary. I think professional summary you people are able to get 1 page. Okay. Starting software development life cycle to testing principles or fundamentals. You guys are able to provide everything under this professional summary. And after that, you need to provide the technical skill. After that, we need to provide the technical skill. Software testing is manual. Clear? The next one, automation testing is Selenium knowledge. Not in hands. Knowledge. API testing, you no need to provide. Why? Because it will be take more time. After completion of the Selenium, I will discuss API testing. Okay. So you no need to provide. DBMS, SQL, just you need to provide knowledge. DBMS, SQL, knowledge. Markup language, HTML. Okay, you guys are provide HTML, CSS, anything. Okay. Operating system. You have an idea, Windows and Mac. You need to provide Windows and Mac. And bug tracking. You guys are provide the bug life cycle. You guys are provide bug life cycle under Jira. Clear? Bug life cycle, Jira. And language, core Java. Language, core Java. Tools and utilities. This column is not required. Tools and utilities. The next one, academic summary. You guys are no need to provide the academic summary pressure level here. After technical skills, you no need to provide academic summary here. Okay. Experience. Okay. Experience. We did one project in Naresh IT. That is, you guys are provide Bank of Pennsylvania. Bank of Pennsylvania. Bank of Pennsylvania. I will provide. I did one project in Naresh IT. Bank of Pennsylvania. Bank of Pennsylvania. I will provide that project. Okay. And after that, okay, after technical skills, experience summary. Okay. See, the project details you guys are provide here. Bank of Pennsylvania project details. You guys are need to provide Bank of Pennsylvania project details. Okay. Project title, Bank of Pennsylvania. And client is the Pennsylvania. Okay. Organization, Naresh IT. Team size, 3 or 4. Okay. And role, test engineer. Role, test engineer. Already you guys are provide here. Test engineer. Okay. Role, test engineer. Tools used, manual testing. Okay. Tools used, only manual testing. Only manual testing. Okay. And the project description you guys are provide. What you did in project, the project description you guys are provide. And after that, roles and responsibilities. Roles and responsibility. Without this academic summary, as it is you need to provide. As it is you need to provide. After roles and responsibility, you guys are provide academic summary. Okay. After that, you guys are provide academic summary, pressure level, okay? First column, college or university, okay? The next column, streams, subject streams, okay? Third column, year of passing. Fourth column, percentage. That's it. You have a below 50% is there. You guys are no need to provide that column, percentage column. Only you need to provide serial number and college or university, and third one is the streams, and fourth one is the year of passing. That's it. You have a good knowledge. You have a good percentage. You guys are provide percentage column also. Is it clear? Depends on your percentage. That column is you people are able to put or not. That is clear. This is the pressure level. This resume I will provide in Google Classroom. Based on, don't copy paste this one, guys. You guys are make it clearly. Resume, you guys are prepare. Okay. These columns you need to copy, no problem. Okay. And one thing, guys, and career object, don't provide the same as it is. I will remove career object. Okay. Why? Because people are copy paste same as it is. We have a different types of career objects is there in online. You guys are provide. Okay. Clear? Finally, whatever you provide in resume, maximum you need to read 2 hours. Before upload the resume in Naukri or Monster or LinkedIn, you need to read the resume at least 2 hours. Why? Because you are a fresher, you are a experienced. First of all, the interviewer, they will ask your resume, whatever you provide, everything. Yeah, example I will tell you. In Corona time, online guys, 1 minute. One minute online guys. 1 minute. Okay. Sometimes it's happened. That's why I'm telling carefully, you guys are read carefully your resume, whatever you mention. Corona time, so many people are recruit. You know, so many people. అలాగే జాబ్స్ కూడా పోయినాయి, చాలా మంది జాబ్స్ కూడా పోయినాయి. ఎవరైతే హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేశారో ఆ టైంలో, వన్స్ దే గాట్ ఏ జాబ్, who are able to do the hard work that time. Those people are standard. Yeah, I think I know 130 people are staying that only Hyderabad location, 100 people. Only Hyderabad location that time. అప్పుడు బాగుపడ్డది ఎవరంటే ఒక ఐటీ వాళ్ళే. కరోనాలో బాగుపడింది ఎవరంటే ఐటీ వాళ్ళే. ఎవ్వరి బాగుపడలా, అందరూ లాస్ అయ్యారు. దేశం మొత్తం లాస్, ప్రపంచం మొత్తం లాస్ అయింది, ఒక ఐటీ వాళ్ళు బాగుపడ్డారు. ఓన్లీ కరోనా టైం. ఒక్కొక్కడు వచ్చి 4 జాబ్లు, 3 జాబ్లు. యా రియల్లీ. ఒక్కొక్కరు వచ్చేసి నన్నే తీసుకోండి నేను చేశాను. యా రియల్లీ యార్. ఒక్కొక్కరు 3-4 జాబ్స్. దట్ ఈస్ ఐ విల్ టెల్ యూ. కమింగ్ టు ద పిఎఫ్. ఎక్కడ ఎంప్లాయీ దొరికాడంటే పిఎఫ్ దగ్గర దొరికాడు. పిఎఫ్ ఎలా మేనేజ్ చేసామంటే, పిఎఫ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఎలా చేసామంటే, మాకు పిఎఫ్ వద్దు అని చెప్పిన కంపెనీసే జాయిన్ అయ్యారు. స్టార్ట్అప్ కంపెనీస్ ఉంటాయి కదా, ఆ స్టార్ట్అప్. యా కరెక్ట్, యు గైస్ ఆర్ సేయింగ్ వెరీ గుడ్. హైలైట్ చేసేస్తాం, వాళ్ళకి డౌట్ అనేది రాకుండా చేస్తాం. ఇంకా సపోర్ట్ చేసే ఉంటాయి కదా, చూసి చూడనట్టు వదిలేస్తా ఉంటాం. అలా అంటే బాగానే సంపాదించుకున్నారు ఐటీ వాళ్ళు కరోనాలో. కానీ ఆ టైంలో మీరు వచ్చినట్టయితే బాగుండేది. తప్పనిసరి ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి జాబ్ వచ్చేది. ప్రతి ఒక్క జస్ట్ నాలెడ్జ్, జస్ట్ నాలెడ్జ్, జస్ట్ నాలెడ్జ్. ఎలా రిక్రూట్ చేసుకున్నారంటే, ఆ టైంలో మీకు నాలెడ్జ్ ఉంటే మిమ్మల్ని రిక్రూట్ చేసి, once you guys are recruit is completed, same people, they will give the support 6 months. Okay, they will train. Okay, once you guys are getting the project, okay, who are take the proxy, that people are provide the support 6 months. Okay, after 6 months you people are able to understand clearly what is the application, what is the requirement. You people are able to survey. That is the problem in that time. After 1.5 year, okay, the company people are recognized who are working one more company, 2 companies, okay, like Wipro, Infosys. They provide one name, Black Moons or something, some name they created. Moonlight. Okay, they removed from the organization. Is it clear? Yeah, so that is the problem. No worries. Okay, nowadays we have a good opportunities is there. Okay, really automation testers, complete fully knowledge automation testers is not there in that market. For example, my project is there. My project 10 applications is there. One project 10 different types of applications is there. In this different types of application, my delivery manager try to recruit from last 1 month who is the good knowledge in automation testing. Okay, he will try to recruit, but no one is selected. Just yesterday we got a meeting. In that meeting we discuss, we have only 2 testers is there, Hyderabad, Chennai. Myself and one more person is there in this project. 2 testers. We are going to support 2 hours one application, 2 hours one more application, 2 hours. Total 8 hours we need to support 4 applications. We have a opportunities is there. Okay, US is fine nowadays. Okay, US is very good. Okay, now the US people are providing the projects. In future, in December, maybe you guys are able to get the good opportunities. Don't miss that opportunities. Okay, you guys are don't miss that opportunities. Please practice everything, and what I was discussed in that session, that is enough. You no need to look at in other things. In that session, what I was discussed, everything that is enough. Okay, you guys are concentrate carefully, guys. Okay, manual testing and automation and Jira. Okay, and core Java. In coming to the core Java, in interview time, it is very, very important. Most of people are asking out of 10 questions, 7 questions is core Java. Yeah, that is true. So you guys are, don't forget, please do practice everyday session related. Okay, coming to the experienced candidate, coming to the experience. See guys, I will explain, okay, how to cover, I will explain the gap. First of all, you guys are listen. See guys, you have a 5 year, how many people is there 5 years experience? How many people are need to provide the 5 years experience? It's okay, Dattu, okay, no problem. That's why I'm telling in English, okay. I no need to speak in Telugu, okay. It is okay. Yeah, how many people having the 5 years experience and 5 years educational gap? 5 years. Okay. If you guys are having 5 years educational gap, okay, no problem. Priya, no problem. How you guys are cover the 9 years experience? Okay. First of all, I will explain. If you have a 9 years experience, must and should we need 4 projects. Must and should we need 4 projects. Okay, how to cover the gap, I will tell you. First of all, how many projects is required year wise. Okay, you guys are having 8 years, same 4 projects is required. You guys are having 7 years experience, you need to provide 3, not 4 project. 90827 4 is required. You guys are having the 6 years experience, you need 3 projects. We need 3 projects. Okay, who are having 9, 8, 7, you guys are provide 4 project, that is mandatory. Okay, who are having the 6 and 5 and 3, you guys are provide 3 projects. Who are having 6 and 5 and 4, anybody is there 4? Anybody is there 4? Yeah, all right. And who are having the 6, 5, 4, you people are provide 3 projects. Okay, and who are having 3 and 2, you guys are provide 2 projects. Who are having 3 and 2, you guys are provide 2 projects. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Okay, is it clear or not? Is it clear or not? Clear? Yeah. Okay, if you guys are provide any experience, what type of requirement is required? If you guys are provide any experience, what type of things is required? The first one, experience certificate is required. The second one, 3 months pay slips is required. 3 months pay slips is required. Employee ID, current organization employee ID is required. HR name is required. And reporting manager name is required. And company details is required. Okay. And some people are asking 6 month statements. Some company, Capgemini, Virtusa, okay, some MNC companies without Infosys, TCS, Wipro, Techem. Without these 4 companies, remaining company people are asking 6 months statements. And after that, relieving letter. And after that, experience certificate. Already I discussed experience certificate. And after that, form 16. They will ask. This type of things, if you want to provide any experience, these are all things they will ask. Yeah, form 16 also they will ask. That time, what is your answer? You have a form 16 or not? They will ask. That time your answer, this is my startup company. Only 50 employees is there. They didn't provide the PF, okay, for us. That is enough. No, actually, for example, you guys are having the 5 years experience. Within 5 years, you completed 3 projects. Okay, 3 projects. What is the first project is the e-commerce. The second project is the insurance, and third project is the e-commerce. Okay, see the first project. Every company people are need to ask your current project. Every company people. Some people is there, they have any doubt on your, they will ask, what is your first project, what you did in first project? Clear? They have any doubt while taking the interview, those people are getting any doubt on you, then immediately they will ask, what is your first project and what is your second project? They will ask like that. Okay, that's it. That's why I'm telling you need to read carefully at least 2 hours your resume. Okay, then this is the process, guys. Experience level. Okay, as it is, you guys are provide and a small modification here in this resume. Small modification. You guys are who are having the experience. You guys are provide the academic summary here. You guys are provide the academic summary here. You no need to provide your year of passing. That is main point. You no need to provide your year of passing. That is very, very important. Only you need to provide your master or your graduation and with the percentage and particular university. That's it. See, master of computer application with 80% from JNTU. That's it. Is it clear or not? Okay, that's it. If you guys are provide any experience, only this step, only that step, you guys are mentioned. You don't need to add year. I explain clearly. Dayachesi, you no need to add year of passing. If you guys are added year of passing 2014, your resume is not shortlisted. Why? Because 2014, now 2023. How many years is there total? 9 years. How many years you put the experience? 5 years. What you did 4 years? I think they got some confused. So your resume is not shortlisted. That's why I mentioned clearly. You no need to provide any year of passing in that. Is it clear? Okay. They got some idea while taking the interview. You have a good stuff, they will recruit. Okay. See, if you got a schedule, interview schedule, you guys are utilized. You guys are utilized. Is it clear or not? Clear? Yeah. Experience is done. and pressure is done. Coming to the how to cover the educational gap. How to cover the educational gap and experience level. Someone having the 9 years experience, how they will cover. Okay, see, 4 years is the non-technical. 4 years is the non-technical. Okay, 3 years is the manual and 2 years is the automation. That's it. Okay, 4 years is the non-technical and 3 years is the manual and 2 years is the automation. If you guys are having the 4 years experience and 4 years is the same non-technical and 3 years is the manual and 1 year is the automation. 1 year is the automation. And if you guys are getting 7 years, you guys are provide 3 years is the non-technical and 3 years is the manual, 1 year is the automation. 1 year is the automation. And if you guys are having 6 years and 3 years is the non-technical, 2 years is the manual, 1 year is the automation. And here 3 years, 5 years is the experience, 3 years is the non-technical, okay, and 2 years is the manual. And automation, I have a knowledge. Clear? Automation have a knowledge. Is it clear or not? Or else, you guys are provide 2 years is the non-technical, 2 years is the manual, 1 year is the automation. Okay. And coming to the 4 years, who are having the 4 years, you guys are provide 1 year is the non-technical, 3 years is the manual. See, 3 years, 4 years, okay, interview little bit difficult. They will completely involved in that subject. Real time, not a practical notes, like not a definitions like that. See, I will provide one scenario how you guys are write the test case. Okay, scenario is we have a 2 tabs. One is the call tab, second one is the task tab. One is the call tab, second one is the task tab. How you guys are validate, write the test case. You can explain real-time scenario. You can explain real-time scenario. That is happen. And 2 years completely you guys are provide 2 plus 3. Completely you guys are 3 years. Who are having the 3 years? Completely 2 plus 1. 2 years is the manual, 1 year is the automation. And 2 years manual. And simultaneously we did the automation also. We did manual, simultaneously we did automation also. You guys are explain like that. That is you guys are provide. See guys, who are having the 9 or 8 or 7 or 6 or 5, these people, you need to get non-IT certificates, IT certificates, everything, payslip, relieving, offer letter, experience letter. Okay, everything is required. If you want to switch to any new company, you need to provide 9 years related certificate to the company. Okay, if you guys are provide anyone this much of experience, the complete whole experience related documentation is mandatory. And current organization 3 months pay slips is required. The past company is not required. Current organization. Okay. Who will verify the first company statements? Infosys, TCS, Wipro, and Techem. These four company people verify four. See, you have a 9 years experience. 9 years where you did every company statement they will verify. Anduke cheppe. That's why I'm telling. First preference, you no need to provide TCS, Techem, Wipro, Infosys, who are having the fake experience. Pressure, okay, you can go happily. And one more thing, guys. Freshers, BA, BCom, BZC, PPC, and BCom computers, and BTech, CSC, IT, and civil, and mechanical. Okay, all streams provide openings in TCS. Okay, they announced 1 week back who are having pressure level experience, pressure level 2022-23 passed out. Those people are asking 22-23 passed out people. Okay, you guys are go to website, you need to apply. Okay, go to website and you guys are applied. And coming to the genuine experience, oh, okay, who are having the manual testing or non-IT real time. Okay, those people also 4 years experience people are asking TCS. Okay, 4 years experience that is announced recently 1 week back. I forget every day. I'm thinking I need to discuss with you, but every day I forget. Okay, you guys are go to website and verify that one. Yeah, Priya, 2014 is pressure. It is not possible. Why? Because we need to explain so many things in interview time. Okay, your passed out is the 2014, but what you do in this gap 9 years? As actually, if you want to try to do startup company, people able to do take startup company people are able to take, and startup company you guys are able to get the monthly 2-3 calls only. But if you guys are provide what I was discuss 4 years non-IT, 3 years manual, 2 years automation, you guys are provide this type of experience. Definitely you people are able to get the good calls. Okay, Cleara? Any doubt? How to provide the project? Yeah, you guys are able to get one doubt. Okay, you guys are says like that 9 years is the 4 projects. Okay, 8 years is the 4 project. How you guys are get the project? Who will provide the project? This question you people are able to get. Nowadays, we have so many consultancies is there. And the institute people also provide the projects. You need to go to number of institutes is there here. And you need to go to institutes. You can explain we need project. 4 projects is there, or 2 projects is there, or 3 projects is there. You can explain. They will provide for the project with explanation 3,000. I think. Okay, they provide explanation about the project and you can pay the 3,000. Okay, and or else someone is working in your some people, your colleagues or your friends is working in different companies. You need to get the actually చెప్పకూడదు చెప్తున్నా. Actually I no need to discuss this one. You need to get the project. You need to understand that project description. Okay, change the name. Provide. Got it? Yeah. If you guys are provide same project name in your resume, once you guys are provide the resume in Naukri, that company is focus on your resume, easily identify you are a fake. For example, I got one project Capgemini. I put the resume in Naukri. The Capgemini people are verify the resume. They will verify the resume. In that resume, same project is there. You guys are change the company name. These people are easily find out that you are a fake. Got it? What I'm saying? Okay. So that's why I'm telling modification. You need to do the modification. I know you have that much of talent. 2000 passed out. Okay, no problem. You guys are provided. I provided the experience here. Okay. If you guys are provide the based on your experience, you need to do that one. Okay, clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? Online and offline? If you have any doubt, please tell me. Any doubt? Yeah, done. Tomorrow I will start the core Java. Tomorrow automation will start it. Tomorrow I will start the automation. Please attend first at any cost. First 10 sessions is very, very important. And remaining also important. The first 10 sessions depends every session. Okay. Don't miss the session tomorrow. Okay. I will start the core Java. Okay. Core Java. The non-IT people, you people are able to attend continuously 10 days. After 11th day, without any support, you people are able to write the code. 100%. Okay. Listen carefully. You people are able to attend the session 10 days continuously. 11th day, non-IT people. I am talking about non-IT people. You guys are able to write the code without any support 100%. How is it possible? I will show you. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. No problem. Tomorrow I will start the automation. Okay. You guys are attend the automation session from starting. You people are able to understand clearly. Okay. You don't worry, guys. Okay. Once you people are got the job, that time you people are able to understand what is use of these sessions. Okay. Up to getting the job, you don't know about this sessions values. Once you guys are able to get the job, that time you people are able to understand 100%. Idela నాకు తెలుసు అంటే స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉంటారు కదా, how I know this one? Already my students is there in different organizations. So those people are explained. Yeah, every day they sent a mail. We got this project. In this project, same we did test cases as per our discussion. Okay. So don't neglect, guys. Don't neglect. You guys are do the practice. And this weekend I will conduct the one assignment. That is test case authoring. You guys are need to write the test cases. Okay. Thank you very much. I will continue tomorrow. Bye.